In this video, I want to show you how to connect your Brother HL-L2465DW printer to your Wi-Fi network. This way you'll be able to print and scan using Wi-Fi with your PC, Mac, Android, and even iPhone and iPad. So let's get started right away. First, make sure the printer is turned on and we will go right over here. You're going to press once on the menu button. And you're going to press on this button right over here, the minus button with an arrow. Press it a few times until you see network on the display. Then press OK to confirm. Select number 1, WLN Wi-Fi. Press OK. Press OK again to find your Wi-Fi network. You're going to press once on this top arrow button. And you're going to wait a few seconds. The printer is now scanning for all the different Wi-Fi networks that are located around you. Here is the first one. If this is not your Wi-Fi network, press the minus button over here and you'll be able to shuffle through all the different networks that the printer has found. Once you see your Wi-Fi network, you're going to press OK. And now it's time to type the password. Unfortunately, this printer doesn't have a keyboard, so how is it done? Well, it may take a few minutes, but you need to use these up and down buttons. So if I press on it, you're going to see I'll be able to select any letters, lowercase letters, and then if I continue, it will switch to uppercase, capital letters. And if you continue, you may also get these symbols if your Wi-Fi password has symbols. So I'll go ahead and type mine. Every time you want to select something, press OK. It will register and it will go to the second letter or number of your password. All right, I have finished typing my password and now I simply have to press once more on OK to register my password. You're going to press once on the top arrow over here simply to select yes, and now you're going to wait. Connected, press OK. So this is what I will do, and this is about it. The printer is now connected to your Wi-Fi network. You can exit this menu by pressing this red button over here. Thanks for watching. I hope my tutorial was helpful, and if you want to support my channel, check my Amazon links down below to get a new printer, but also some paper, a new ink toner for this specific model. Every time you purchase through my Amazon links, I get a very small commission from Amazon and it helps my channel. Have a beautiful day and I'll see you in the next video.